Hi, what's up everybody? In today's video we will show you how we converted this minigame Savior Angels into something like this. Round 1.
This minigame has been totally created by my partner Lena, and it's totally based on machine learning, so let's dive into some more details. The main idea of the game is that there are 3 saviors and 3 stars. Each savior has to compete with the other savior to collect the randomly spawned water drops, then bring them back to the star before it gets exploded, and the one who lost till the end is the winner of the round. The AI of the NPCs has been totally built using the ML agents, the machine learning, and in the description I provided the link through to step by step how we built the game logic and how we trained the agents by rewarding them for collecting the water correctly, punishing them when the star is about to explode so they hurry, and then reward them generously when they successfully bring back the water to the star to prevent its explosion. Then for the background we created a shader graph to show a glowy stars with different colors in the background. We can share with you how we created that shader graph if you want, so you need that shader, I can do that video for you guys. For the stars we used a shader graph which we shared with you previously to do a glowy shiny 2D star, which consists of multiple shader graphs and particle effects. I provided also the link in the description for the details how to create this shader. Then we just changed the color of the star for each star. For example, for Sirius we chose the purple color, and for Betelgeuse we chose the blue, and for Epsilon Pegasi we chose the yellow. And of course the glow effect has been achieved by enabling the HDR in the rendering pipelines, and also enabling the post-processing on the camera and adding the bloom post-processing effect. For the randomly spawned water drops we created also a special shader graph representing something like a water drop floating in the space. Also we use the same shader graph to fill the savior tank when they collect the water. Then I created some particle effects when the saviors collect the water drops. Also for the explosion, I created an explosion particle effect, and we made a camera shake using a free asset from the Unity asset store. It's called Easy Camera Shaker. I'll provide also the link for that in the description. Also did a particle effect for the wormhole. As you can see, each savior can shoot a wormhole that can teleport the player to a random location on the map to prevent him from collecting the water. Then we created a round system, so the game consists of 5 rounds, and at the end of the final round, which is the round number 5, we announce the winner. And regarding the voiceover or sound effects when each round starts, saying round 1, 2, 3 and 4 and final round, I recorded that by myself and used voice mode. application to adjust my voice.
I used the Titan voice, which is the Thanos from Avengers movie, I think.
In the end, to spice things up, I created this intro using the logo dissolve into particles technique and using the Cinemachine. Then we published the game in itch.io website, so you can visit the link I mentioned in the description to try the game. Let's know what you think about this game. That's all for today. Till next time, see you soon.
Don't forget to subscribe or you will see me in your nightmares.